Hello everyone and welcome back to House of Cramel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated the inside of my home for fall this year. I'm going to start with my dining room table, but I need to clean it up just a little bit. So let me just, there. All right, we're all clean. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to wipe my dining room table. This table isn't used a whole lot in my home. It's in our formal dining room, but I still wanted to get the dust off. So the first thing I'm going to add is this runner. It's from Hobby Lobby. Initially, I didn't really like this runner, but there wasn't a lot there when I got it last year. Also, I got it last year. But I liked the color and the leaves enough to take it home and see how I felt about it. This centerpiece also came from Hobby Lobby. I actually really love this. And these, what are these called? Placemats also came from Hobby Lobby. I was very much into the buffalo plaid last year, the black and white buffalo plaid. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. And I think as long as you don't overdo it, it could be nice. Now, I got those placemats from Hobby Lobby, but these two white ones that you see came from Ross because when I went back to get more plaid ones, they were sold out. But I felt like doing these white ones on the ends were a nice touch. And after I put this table together, I really liked how the orange still gave me that pop. These mason jars also came from Hobby Lobby. One says blessed and the other one says thankful. And what I did was I put little fairy lights on the inside. They're battery powered. I got them from Amazon just to give it a little bit of a glow and give the table just a tad of pizzazz. So now you see I've added these leaf things. They're actually for candles, but I thought they would be really cute to hold those cute mason jars. They don't exactly fit, but I make them work, and I think it's a nice touch and extension to my centerpiece. All right, lastly, you're going to see me add these distressed white chargers. These also came from Hobby Lobby last year. I'm pretty sure they probably have something similar. I started to go with a gold or some other metallic color, but I felt like the white balanced out everything, so I went with that. And now I'm adding these cute mini velvet pumpkins that I also got from Hobby Lobby last year. But guys, velvet pumpkins are all over the place this year, so you should have no problem finding them if Hobby Lobby doesn't have any in stock right now, but I'll do my best to find a link. And that completes my table setup. I really love this. It was really easy to do. Just kind of tried some different things, and this is where I landed. This is the same tablescape I had last year, and I just bought these things, so I'm going to be using these probably again, and I'll maybe just update some elements as each year goes by. Next, I'm decorating the corner in my kitchen. It's right above the dishwasher. I got that little riser from Target in the one spot, and that Harvest and Blessings book prop came from Homegoods. These pumpkins I bought last year at, you guessed it, Hobby Lobby. They were fake, so of course they lasted, and I just felt like these would be some things that I would be able to use over and over again. I had a little bit of trouble deciding how I wanted to fashion these because I liked everything. I just wasn't sure how. I just felt like it was missing something. That white pumpkin I also got from Hobby Lobby. So as you can see, I tried to fashion these a couple of different ways, but ultimately I landed on the first one you saw. But I still felt like something was missing. I needed a minute to think about what I wanted to add to that kitchen corner, so I just moved to my little tea station. So I gave the station a bit of a wipe, and I kept this one simple. I chose to do the same setup I did for my fall drinks video, so I just added this cute photo with fall sayings and memories and this cute pumpkin light candle, and that's it. But then I got the bright idea to take these dish towels that I brought from Homegoods and fold them up to add another dimension to this corner in my kitchen, and I felt like it was perfect. I loved it. So what you see me doing is rolling them up, and I'm just putting some zip ties on the back of them and folding some fabric over it so you don't see the zip ties. It's just something I came up with in my head, and I thought it turned out really great. Moving on to this exposed cabinet in my kitchen. This area has never actually really been decorated, so it was nice to finally get over here and make something happen. Just had a couple of random planters and pieces up there that I plan to do something with later. So all these pumpkins that I bought from At Home store, see the link here to see everything that I bought from the At Home store. I decided to put here. I thought they were the perfect place to display them. Each little pumpkin was small enough yet large enough to fill the space and, you know, just give it a little more style. You guys, I really love that pumpkin I just placed at the top. I wanted people to be able to see the little vine detail a little bit better, so I kind of leaned it forward, but then I was making sure that it wouldn't actually fall once I placed it. Alright, moving on to the fireplace, one of my most favorite places in my house. Decided to keep it really simple here. I just moved that brass base I have. It's actually made of paper mache, I want to say. And I added these pillows that I got from Homegoods to the other side. I waited for my son to knock these over the next day, but I think they lasted 3 days before he actually decided to play with them. And lastly, I added a little bit of decor to the bookcases that I have on either side of my fireplace. I placed this beautiful glass blown pumpkin that I showed you guys in my haul. I absolutely love this. It doesn't scream it's fall, but it's a pumpkin and it's beautiful. So I really love this here. For those beautiful velvet pumpkins I got from the one spot at Target, I stuffed them in these mini crates that I also found in the one spot and placed them on the other bookcase on the other side of my fireplace. And that, guys, is my fall decorate with me video this year. I hope you love this, and I hope I've given you some inspiration on what you can do in your home. I feel like this is easy, attainable decorating, nothing too crazy. You can do this at home yourself. If I can do it, you can do it too. You guys, make sure you like this video and let me know what you're doing at your home. Let me know if you like this. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you here at House of Cramel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.